welcome back to my channel. Today I have some vegan cheeses to try, so I'm very excited. This was sent to me by Spero. They do superfood cheeses and also egg products. I'm going to do the egg products in a different video. I think I'm going to make some recipes with those and see how that works out. But I haven't tried this at all. I saw them on Instagram and they have some really cool products. And they sent me 3 different kinds of cheeses and a cheesecake like whip. So let's get started. I'm really excited. So the first we're going to try is this goat cheese. I hope this is good because I loved goat cheese before I was vegan so much. So this is a good alternative. Then we're in the clear. Why do I always have a problem with packaging? Okay, there we go. Oh, that definitely smells like goat cheese. I don't know if you guys can see. Yes. That smells so good. I put my glasses on because I was trying to do it without my glasses because I'm out of contacts, but girl gotta see. Okay. It's really nice and soft. It's been sitting in my fridge. Okay, I don't want to taste it yet. I'm going to try it on some bread. So I got some sourdough bread because that's what I love to eat cheese with, some bread. So let's try this out. I really love how soft it is already. Get like a good amount on here. That's so crazy. That legit tastes like goat cheese. That's insane. That's so good. Oh my god. Like, I'm not even kidding you. This is spot on. I don't know how they did this, because that's so good. And considering they have really minimal ingredients for cheese, it's sunflower seeds, water, coconut oil, salt, and then the flavorings. I'm really impressed. That's so good. Oh my god. Miko, you gotta try this. Oh, Gigi, you wanna try it? Oh, she's already licking the paper over here. Nope. Doesn't feel like being on camera today. That is so good. Okay, I'm excited. What we're gonna do now, let's do this herb one called Herbalicious. The protein on these are actually really good too. For a small serving, which becomes with 4.5 servings, it has 5 grams of protein, which I love. That's what I find really annoying about vegan cheeses, is that regular cheese has a lot of protein. Maybe not like a huge amount, but it's enough where you're getting a good amount of It has a decent amount of protein. But with vegan cheeses, most of them don't have any protein, and I find that very frustrating. It's not moving things. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, as soon as I opened it, like it just smelled like basil. Oh my god. That smells so good. It smells like a bruschetta almost. Put that over here. Okay. You get like a lot of those herbs. Come on now. That's so good. Okay, it wasn't basil, it was rosemary. Oh my god. I feel like it seems like I'm overplaying, but these are really good. See, I don't love vegan cheeses because I was such a huge cheese fan when I wasn't vegan. So this is actually the most comparable to real cheese. It's amazing. Mmm. So good. It really tastes like fajita. Okay, I'm excited. This is the one I'm most excited about. It's the smoked chipotle. And if you know me, you know how much I love spice. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, that's like a nice smoky smell. I'm just now noticing that the goat cheese came double wrapped, but the other two didn't. So I don't know why that's the case, but interesting. It's all over my hands. Now for the smoked. It smells smoked. The spicy chipotle. It's definitely smoked. I'm waiting for like a kick, but there's not really a kick coming. It's not spicy to me at all, but my spice tolerance is pretty high, and keep in mind I'm Pakistani, so. But I think even if you have a low tolerance to spice, this will be okay for you. It mostly tastes like the Fasano smoked cheese that I tried in a previous video. It's good, but I'm not like amazed by that one. So if I have to rate them, they're all very different, which is nice. You're gonna get something different every time. This definitely tastes like goat cheese. This tastes like fajita, and this just tastes like a smoked cheese to me. I wish this was more spicy, but I guess they're trying to make it more palatable for a variety of people, so that's cool. Let's see. Let's try this whipped cheesecake. I didn't know what to think of it at first because I'm not a huge cinnamon person, and this is a cinnamon whipped cheesecake. Ooh. So it's a little melted in the middle. This hasn't been out of the fridge that long, so that's interesting, but it smells really nice. It kind of tastes, it smells like the cinnamon pound cake from Starbucks. So it should be good. Ah! It's raining cheese. Okay. Cheese palate cleanser. I mean, it's good. I'm not like amazed by it, but it's nice. It's like a little sweet something something. We'll see what the ingredients are, shall we? So, same main ingredients: sunflower seeds, water, agave, coconut oil, cinnamon, salt, and cultures. It's okay. I think I'm spoiled because in Berkeley we have the Butcher's Son, and their cheesecake is amazing, and I think subconsciously I was expecting that flavor, but that's more of an indulgent cheesecake. This is something that's supposed to be healthy, so for a healthy cheesecake, it's pretty good. It's definitely sour, like a cheesecake, so that's nice. My favorite has to be either this Herbalicious one or the Goaty one. But honestly, probably the Herbalicious one. It tastes so nice. Like, I can imagine this like on a mock turkey sandwich. Would be amazing. Leftover Thanksgiving, with Thanksgiving leftovers, like into a sandwich, this would be perfect. You wanna try it? Come here. Come here. Want to give the public your opinion? This is the Goaty one. He likes it. He dropped it on me, but he likes it. So it's Miko approved, in case you're wondering. Now Gigi's getting jealous. You want some? Oh, Gigi likes it too. So guys, this is definitely a winner. Go check out their website, and then I have a link down in my description. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Where have you been? It's time to subscribe now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.